The Alliance is an opportunity for global telecommunications providers.
I'm looking for startups together. What will bring to the digital scene and to the industry will be disruption.
With the support and the possibility to exchange ideas, best practices, knowledge with other leading telco operators in Europe.
Grow in the value chain. So see if we can move from being a very passive infrastructure provider to provide more active equipment. Concepts like Open RAN or even towers at the sky.
That we are going to generate a community. We are going to share, we are going to find, we are going to scout together in order to enforce our position as telcos.
And we've seen that the 5G with the network will be very, very useful for all the enterprise around us. So we need to find solutions for the enterprise on this network. Now the metaverse is a new world, and what will be the role for telcos to play in this new world?
Alaian. Disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.